In this video, I will show you how to download Fear the Moon on PC or laptop. In this game, an old group of friends unknowingly go camping in the Wolfman's territory deep inside an Ohio forest. So let's begin download and installing. Simply go to itch.io website and in search type Fear the Moon. In drop-down, click on the game. Right now, when I am recording, only first chapter is available. You can click on Wishlist on stream and save it in Steam, so you would get email when full game is available. To download first chapter, you need to go back to the page and click on red download button. Download should start, and it will take a while. When download is finished, just locate the folder and unzip it. If you can't, just download WinRAR, it's free. Then go to the folder and double-click on the launcher. Game will be starting. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Subscribe if it was helpful.